If you're learning English and you're not using ChatGPT, you're making your life harder for no reason. It's like you're trying to dig a hole using a spoon when somebody has already handed you a shovel. You know, like use the shovel. So ever since ChatGPT launched, I have been testing what works, what doesn't, and actually what gets results. Because here's the thing, you cannot just study English with ChatGPT. You really need a teacher to put those prompts together for you. And that's what I did. I put a bunch of them together in several PDFs. It's pretty cool. Just copy the prompts, paste them into ChatGPT, and voila, instant personalized practice. Yeah, some people tell me, look, I have already tried to use language learning apps before and I felt bored, I felt stuck, I felt like I was not really getting anywhere. Learning with ChatGPT is a completely different experience. That's because ChatGPT is an LLM. It was created to deal with human language. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you should seriously consider turning your ChatGPT into your personal ChatGPT teacher. Let's dive in. The number one reason why you must use ChatGPT in your English studies is because it's free. Yes, there is a paid version of ChatGPT and it's got its shiny bells and whistles, but for most people, the free version is more than enough. Now, compare that to the cost of an online course or a private teacher. But wait, are you saying that ChatGPT can replace an English teacher? No, but it surely can replace many of an English teacher's functions. It answers questions, writes, rewrites, translates, corrects stuff. Nothing can replace human connection when it comes to personalized feedback, emotional support, and stuff that requires empathy. But machines can perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. Consequently, ChatGPT can handle certain tasks faster and more effectively than any human teacher. So the smart move, let ChatGPT do what it's good at and leave the human stuff to humans. And here's some of the areas where ChatGPT can really shine. The second reason why you must use ChatGPT is that it can help you improve your vocabulary. ChatGPT can generate 10, 20, 100 words in seconds, right? And it can instantly sort them by topic, level, tone, etc. So whether you're just starting out or trying to level up your English business game, for example, ChatGPT can generate custom vocabulary lists in a snap. Travel terms, academic lingo, weird business buzzwords, just ask. And if you want exercise to go with those, it will make those too. All you need are the right prompts. Reason number 3 why you must use ChatGPT is it can help you improve your fluency. So you want to speak more fluently? Guess what you have to do? That's right. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, here's the problem. Human teachers, they get tired after repeating and hearing you repeat the same thing 30 times over. Trust me, I know. ChatGPT doesn't care. It'll run that sentence back as many times as you need. And you can use its text-to-speech function to practice shadowing and drill pronunciation and rhythm. Reason number 4, it can correct and improve your writing. Bad grammar, no problem. Bad phrasing, fixed. You need your writing to sound more casual or more professional or more like a 19th century British novelist, done. And here's an amazing thing. If you have any questions about grammar, for example, you can just ask. You get definitions, examples, and even custom exercises instantly. And the reason number 5 why you must use ChatGPT to learn English is ChatGPT never sleeps. Look, you want to get good at English? Use it every day. It's that simple. But here's the thing. Real teachers, we gotta sleep, we gotta eat, we gotta go out, we got lives, right? ChatGPT, it's just there. It's in your pocket 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can practice English at 2 a.m. if that's your vibe. And that is a real game changer for anybody who's trying to build a consistent habit. Remember, use the shovel. All right, cool. Cheers.